Most walls are just walls, painted, plastered, repeating the same idea over and over again. But what if your walls could do more? What if they absorbed sound, hid the tech, radiated light? And what if, just maybe, they looked and felt seamless? Meet the team behind PONGS, a family business rooted in textile manufacturing, yet pushing architecture into the future. With DESCOR, a high-performance textile system that covers walls and ceilings seamlessly, intelligently, and sustainably. It's not just a ceiling, it's a system. And once you've seen what DESCOR can do, everything else just looks outdated. It starts with a structure, precise and planned. Then comes the fabric, tailored, adjusted, perfected down to the millimeter. No screws, no dust, no waiting for paint to dry. Just clean lines, clear air, and a sense of calm. Most ceilings are built the same way they've always been. Drywall, wood, plaster. Heavy materials, messy installation, cracks over time, and almost zero flexibility. But DESCOR changes the game. It's lightweight, up to 40 times less material than plasterboard, installed in hours instead of days, even across up to 5 meters in width without joints or cracks. So while others leave dust, noise, and waste behind, DESCOR leaves you with just one thing: peace of mind, and a room that finally feels like it was made for you. DESCOR isn't just aesthetic, it's smart. It hides your cables, integrates lighting, silences noise. It even improves your room temperature and looks flawless doing it. For private homes, historic buildings, modern offices, it's a system built not just to last, but to elevate. From blank walls to living surfaces, this villa tells a story, one of craftsmanship, innovation, and textile architecture. And it's just the beginning. This is not just a renovation, it's a revolution in how we experience space.